My lecture is about anterior direct composite restorations, and my goal was to show some tips and tricks about anterior directs and to make the job, the work easy and straightforward. My name is Serhat Köken. I'm from Istanbul and I love dentistry, and I work in my own practice in Istanbul.
What do you think about dental work? Do you enjoy the event and its atmosphere?
It was really interesting. I saw here people from different countries, not only from Hungary. And also I met my friends, international friends here. It was very nice to meet people from other countries, not only the attendees, but also the lecturers.
What was your lecture about and why do you believe this topic is important?
My lecture is about anterior direct composite restorations, and my goal was to show some tips and tricks about anterior directs and to make the job, the work easy and straightforward. And the other goal was to introduce maybe some different spatial techniques maybe they have never tried, like using the amalgam brownie while I'll do finishing, and using articulating paper to see the texture during the process. Maybe I have made an introduction to young generation in dentistry.
What is one take-home message of your lecture?
To me, it was nice to be here, and I love the atmosphere. I love the participants, and I enjoyed the environment because I saw people from all around the world, and the atmosphere was nice. I saw plenty of people and had the chance to meet international lecturers here, and it was a nice time for me, sure. I will recommend all dentists arriving this city, this beautiful city, Budapest, in 2026 and joining the Dentistry World event here in this nice area.